Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a dip powder nail design using Totally Dipp'd dip powders. So let's get right into the video. On my nails I'm using tips today, but let's pretend it's my natural nails, and I have a layer of gel base and top coat. Now I apply a layer of peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and I wait for it to dry fully. Now I'm using cranberry marmalade and I'm just doing my basic dip application. So I apply a thin layer of base to the whole nail and then I dipped into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. On the middle nail I did the same as well. So I got this gold foil in my PR package that I got from Totally Dipp'd a while ago. I would link to the first video I did using Totally Dipp'd dip powders in the cards, so y'all can check that video out after this video. So I'm just separating the gold foil into smaller pieces. Then I also got these purple caviar beads from the Totally Dipp'd package as well. If you'd like to purchase from Totally Dipp'd, you can use my code Cherael15 to get 15% off of your purchase. They have some really nice colors. I'd leave some links to some of the designs I've done using Totally Dipp'd dip powders in the cards, so you can be the judge and see if you like them too. Now on the ring finger I placed base on the whole nail and then I dipped into my crystal clear dip powder from Totally Dipp'd. Then I placed another layer of base on the whole nail and then I stuck the gold foil and the purple caviar beads on the nail. Then I dip my finger into the clear dip powder. Then I encapsulated the foil nail with about 2 layers of clear dip powder. Now on my pinky nail I'm using Glamorous dip powder, which is a chunky and fine gold glitter dip powder with some silver glitter mix. I did 2 layers of that. On the thumbnail, I did 2 layers of the cranberry marmalade dip powder. Now I'm using my Totally Dipp'd clear dip powder and I encapsulated the nails. I did 2 layers but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I apply some Moto1's gel top coat to the nails and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!